High-Tech University offers admission spring 2010 in BBA Honours and MBA with specialization in marketing, finance and HRM. High-Tech University, chartered by Government of Punjab, where you find qualified faculty, state-of-the-art infrastructure, transport and hostel facilities, up-to-date curriculum and various extracurricular activities, scholarships and need-based financial assistance provided to deserving students. For admissions and forms, please contact our website www.hightechuni.edu.pk. Phone number direct 454-2714, 454-2746 and 50, extension 306 and 303. Last date to submit the forms is 15th of January 2010.